Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back for another video from How to PC. Today I walk through how to inherit the text construct to improve font rendering in Microsoft 8. This step is very easy. You go to Microsoft 8, click on it, and you click in the, I'll put the link in the description. You see, we have here inherit the text contrast. You have here to set out the default. You need to enable that. You see, you hit in the restart, and you see we enable the inherit text constructs. And this video for today, I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. I'll put the URL, this URL in the description to walk you through. See you later guys.